Oh man.
I got a one song down to 14 hertz, but I can't. I don't want to.
Test stuff up.
Yeah. I don't
What
wanna,
was that? 21, 20?
19.
Right?
It went down to 19.
Yeah, that's low and windy.
That's what I'm saying. That thing was just, it was windy as all get out.
Yes. It's like AC blowing at you.
That's what, when I came up a minute ago, I stood right there and I was like, and he started playing. He's talking about they cooled me right off quick.
Yep, that's right. Yeah.
Voltage never dropped.
That's what I'm saying. On one 6.5 at 0.67, 700 amp under the hood, I don't have any problems. When I start drawing with the second amp is when I start to have problems.
Does that mean you got to put a third alternator on it?
I got a Yinglong's coming today. They'll be here whenever Mike Malazio gets here.
I want to watch you guys put that thing together.
I don't know if I'm going to do it here or not. I may do it at the hotel. I don't know. I might build it here. I don't know. We'll see.
The reason why I want to watch is because I want to learn how to assemble one.
Oh, it's easy.
I know I'm going to need one problem for
So you can see I'm right back up. My voltage, I'm back up.
Your voltage is pretty solid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Really good.
So
The temperature is not too hot either.
Nah.
And that's for being out here and all this heat.
Oh yeah.
That's
They get up to what? What'd you see? About 220s where you stop? I see some people go about there. Where you stop at?
Last time before I got this, I stopped when the amp shut down and smoked.
Oh gosh, yeah.
So that's the reason I got these.
Okay.
But here we go. This one here might make you a little bit. It might. Tonight.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.